you want a night out and for a good cause, look no further than Casino Royale. It's a night of games, music, and auctions, all benefiting Habitat for Humanity.
With us today is Courtney Guerreri with Central Westmoreland Habitat for Humanity, and we have Patrick Kaufman from Mount Pleasant Window and Remodeling. We're going to learn a little bit more about this partnership, but first, Courtney, we want to talk to you about Habitat for Humanity and what you all are doing in Westmoreland County.
Thank you. So right now we're currently getting ready to start 2 home builds in the Grapeville area of Westmoreland County.
Wonderful.
We are very excited about that. We should be starting that here soon, once the weather gets a little bit nicer, so that we can break ground and get ready to build those 2 homes.
Wonderful. Helping so many people.
Wait, the weather can get nicer?
I think a little bit.
You're giving us hope. Oh, we're so excited. Now, both of you are here because you have a very exciting gala coming up, and we are so excited to learn more. Patrick, tell us, what are the details?
I'll let Courtney do that.
Oh, sure.
So our gala is on Saturday, March 29th. It's at the venue Live at Live Casino in Greensburg. We're super excited about it. It's a gala that we hold every year. It's the Home is Where the Heart Is gala. And it's our largest fundraiser to raise funds to build the homes in Westmoreland County.
And what is Restore? Can you tell me about that?
So the Restore is a part of our programs that help fund the builds, the home builds. So basically what happens is the general public, businesses, corporations can donate furniture, building materials, items that they have. If you're cleaning out your house with the weather changing,
right,
we can take those items that you want to donate rather than putting them in the landfill. Donate those to our Restore. We will put them on our floor and then resell them at a discounted price to the general public. And then the funds go back into building the homes.
Oh, how nice.
That makes so much sense.
Everybody
Saving
gets
the earth.
something from
Yes.
it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Really.
And Patrick, tell me about the partnership that you have had at Mount Pleasant Window and Remodeling with Habitat for Humanity.
Well, it's about a year ago we created the community buyback program where we're taking out windows and doors. If they can be repurposed or resalvaged, we'll donate them to Habitat. And rather than throw them in a dumpster, people get to get a tax deduction and it helps the store.
Absolutely.
We thought it would be so fun while you 2 were here, since this is set at Live, that we should do something here in our studio. And so Mikey is standing by. If you guys will come with us. I haven't played blackjack in about a year, but Mike,
you say you're good at it.
I think I am.
I have faith in you.
So Mikey's going to deal us out, and you're going to lay out some ground rules, right?
Yeah, so I'm going to give everyone, including myself, a quick refresher on how to play blackjack. So the first to 21 without going over wins. Face cards like kings, queens, and jacks are worth 10. And aces count as 11 unless that puts you over 21. In that case, they count as 1. And this will be a simple game, everyone. So no splitting. Are we all playing? We're all playing here, right?
We're all playing.
Okay,
Okay.
so, okay. 2 cards.
Yep.
2 cards.
Nailing it.
No one's ever going to hire me.
mental math.
Yes. And the goal is you want to beat me, the dealer.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay. Hit me. I'm going to stay.
Hit me. Stay.
Okay.
Hit me.
Oh, 16. I never know what to do. What are you going to do? I would say. Let's do it.
I think from the rules, you get to keep going. You should keep going until you hit 17, but I'm a little bit nervous about that.
I have faith in you for
Yeah.
some reason.
I think you,
Let's go.
Oh, she's going! Bust.
We're busted.
Okay.
That's okay.
Okay, we got a 1 now. 14, 15, 20.
Okay.
Dang, where are you at, Mikey? Where are you at? 18.
18, of course.
All right.
yes.
Well,
Isn't it amazing how the dealer always
Always wins.
so at the event, what else can people expect to see and do?
They can expect dancing, a DJ, fantastic food. We have a lot of prizes. We have basket raffles. We have some grand prizes, and we have these amazing Key of Opportunity doors, which is our grand prize. People purchase a key, and at the end of the evening, if your key opens the door, you get the grand prize behind the key.
Wonderful. What a surprise.
How fun.
And it's
for
a lot of fun.
Such a great cause. Thanks for
you.
joining us.
Thanks for having us.
Good job, Mikey.
All right, I wish I
pleasure.
had some chips. I would cook them all.
Yes.
The Home is Where the Heart Is Casino Royale Gala is happening Saturday, March 29th at Live Casino in Westmoreland County. Tickets are on sale now. You can head to our website to learn more.